When two parties are trying to people please or be good people, and they are both busy and have a lot of tasks, and then they are trying to share the responsibility of a task. Um, so, say one person says, "Oh, there's a hiccup here. I'm going to go handle it whenever," and the other person, "Oh, I'll just email them." A lot of the times, we don't confirm, or if we do try to confirm, it frustrates the other party. But then what ends up happening is, because both parties are juggling so many things, when they go to rehash the conversation, both parties remember the other party taking responsibility. So oftentimes that shared responsibility gets dropped because both people are trying to juggle more than one human can actually juggle. So as they're getting to each task, the reality of their energy level and abilities start to become more realistic, and then oh, that person was going to cover that, so I don't have to worry about that. And so there's a lot of things where people are really genuinely trying to be the best humans that they can be, but they are overexerting themselves to make up for what they believe is other human beings that are not trying at their hardest level. And so you have a lot of misunderstanding and mishaps that happen from people trying to over accommodate for other people's lack of abilities, not realizing that a lot of the times other people are doing the same thing. And what happens is, when you have everybody trying to overexert themselves for the other people's lacking, you get a lack of communication, a lack of cohesive harmony through the projects and through things. So what ends up happening is you have all of these mishaps and stuff, which then just confirm your confirmation bias that other people aren't doing what they're supposed to be doing, and that you have to work even harder and juggle more tasks. So then you try even harder to juggle more tasks that you're not humanly able and capable of doing. So then this continues to shift. And so you're doing your best, and it's confirming other people's beliefs that things aren't, that you're not doing your hardest, because they're not seeing all the things behind closed doors, because people don't want to admit how much they're juggling and what's exactly going on. um and so there's so much more miscommunication and mishap that's happening in the world that's actually innocent than it is malicious. And then when you catch on to the innocent, and it confirms your bias of believing something's malicious, then you're more inclined to do something malicious later on, because you've now felt that you've endured all of these malicious things, and that you can only take so much before you retaliate. And then when somebody sees that, it's a confirmation of, look, there's an actual malicious person that's willing to say, look, I was doing it maliciously because of this. And then this shit rolls downhill till you get a giant boulder of shit at the very bottom that just covers everybody, because things gain as they roll downhill.